What's up, everybody? This is Chris Garcia. And Jaden over there. He's pounding away. Today I got some packages.
And I'm doing a superhero game.
And Jaden's doing a superhero game.
No.
So today is going to be an unboxing of a light fixture that my wife got me. Bless her little heart. And this long box right here. Well, you guys kind of get the idea what it is. It is a Vivo Sun grow tent. It's a 48 by 24 by 60. That's the measurements. And I'm gonna unbox this in another video right here later on because I'm not gonna set it up right now. But I am gonna unbox this light because I'm curious to see how it looks like. So let me get this box out of the way. Oh, that's the homie right there. That's the homie Bowser. He's being shy. He doesn't want to be focused on. But there you go. It's the homie Bowser. If you guys don't know about Mario Kart, then I don't know. You guys don't know good games. But catch you guys right now. Alright, so I'm gonna continue the unboxing right here of this light fixture. So bear with me, guys. Alright, the homie's gonna take off. So my son's gonna take him away, and my son slipped and fell. So here we go. Please be patient. I'm working with one hand. Smith & Wesson tactical knife for work. Knife. So here we go. Bam. Okay. Don't wanna puncture this up really good, but alright. Never do that. Never cut towards you. That's a no-no. I shouldn't have did that. I'm sorry. But alright, here we go. Oh, I'm cutting into the box. Look at that.
You are red.
Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Cut this down the middle. Again, don't cut towards you, but train professional. Alrighty, I'm gonna cut the side right here. There we go. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. And inside the box, it contains. What are you playing, son?
Superhero.
Okay, my son Jaden's playing superheroes. Alright, so what we have here is
You can't do it. Do it. Like
some hanging materials. Little hanging harness here. I don't know what you guys call these. Harness, hanging hooks, clip-on hooks. I don't know, but this light fixture contains these awesome stuff and power cord. Nice, decent power cord. Okay. And this is what I got right here. There you go, guys. This is the one I got. Viparspectra Reflector Series model V450, which means 450 watts. Little stuff here and there about the light fixture. Some specifications, data. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, put this to the side. Wow, check this light out. It has some weight to it also. Got the LED, got the reflectors on them. Alrighty, let's see, it comes with something else. Also right here, what's this? Oh, okay, alright. So it comes with Alright, a daisy chain cord, looks like right here. It's a daisy chain to another light fixture. Or is this the power cord also? It's probably the power cord. I don't know, it comes with 2 power cords? What? Oh, okay, I see. This is a daisy chain cord right here. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, I see. Sorry, folks. This is a daisy chain cord right here. And this is the power cord. I see. Okay, okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out the box. And then I'm going to try and plug it in. I'll probably plug it in. I need an extension cord, so... like I'm saying, this unit's pretty heavy. It's... I don't know, it's awesome looking though. Alright, let me go ahead and take this out for you guys. Here's the bottom part, or the back part, I should say, on this light fixture, on the Viparspectra. Here's some little info on the voltage, the wattage, little warning right here. And it comes with dual fans, two fans. Cords plugged in, 2 fans. I guess the slot to daisy chain this up. So when you hook onto it, there's 4 little slots where you hook up to it. You have the 2 fans plus vented slots on the side, vented in the back, vented it also on the other side, just like this right here. Phone's not focusing right. Alrighty. Here we have the Vipar signature branding on the side right here. And this model comes with an option of putting it in on veg or bloom, or putting both on. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks like in veg and how it looks like with bloom, and how the light fixture looks with both of them on. So here we go. Mind you, wear protection eyewear when you're looking directly at this light, because let me tell you, it is strong. It is very strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and close my eyes for this because, man. So I'm gonna switch on the veg first. So here we go. Alrighty. So that's how it looks like in veg. And the fans, once you turn it on, the fans quickly just turn on with the light. So I'm gonna turn off the veg, and then here comes the bloom. So as you guys can see, there are different kinds of reds, whites, and then let me switch on the veg again. And there are 2 kinds of blues, it looks like, plus 2 different kinds of whites. You have the reddish white, then you have the daylight white, and then here it is with both on. You have the IRs right there. So yeah guys, there you go. That's the light. A little bit of heat coming from the LEDs, not as much though, but you can feel the heat coming out. So luckily this light fixture has dual fans on the back. So there you go. That is the unboxing of the Viparspectra 450 watt. So alright guys, there you go. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link where you can purchase this. I got this off of Amazon, and I'll put the link down on the description. So there you go.